Here's how to turn on or off screen time on your iPhone. Now, on your iPhone, let's open up the Settings app, and you'll be able to see as you scroll down, you can see right under Focus Mode is Screen Time. Let's tap on that. Now, I don't have screen time set up yet. Let's turn it on. All you need to do to turn it on is to tap on App and Website Activity. And you need to enter in a screen time passcode if there is one set up. Potentially there's not one set up and you haven't set one up yet. In my case, I'm going to just enter in that passcode. And I'm going to hit turn on app and website activity. You'll see screen time will pop up and you can hit see all app and website activity. Now I had this on recently, so you'll be able to see it does fill out what my screen time is for today. I can switch it to the week view, etc. If you're just setting this up, potentially it will be blank and it will just start to record your activity going forward. However, let's say we wanted to get out of here and instead we wanted to turn screen time off. You can see as I scroll down to the bottom, all I need to do is choose this turn off app and website activity and then hit turn off. Again, you might need the code to enter it in to turn it off, but after you've done that, that screen time will be disabled.